Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best gas pressure washer is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can add to your home maintenance arsenal, capable of tackling everything from stubborn grime on your driveway and patio to built-up dirt on your car, siding, and outdoor furniture, making it an indispensable asset for anyone looking to achieve a truly deep clean and restore the pristine appearance of their property with remarkable efficiency and ease. Number 5. Westinghouse WPX 3200 Gas Pressure Washer. Introducing the Westinghouse WPX 3200, delivering 3200 psi and 2.5 GPM for a deep clean. It's perfect for tackling tough jobs around your home. This pressure washer features a convenient half-gallon onboard soap tank. Easily apply detergent to loosen dirt and grime for a superior clean. With 5 quick connect nozzles, you can customize the spray pattern for any task. From delicate surfaces to stubborn stains, it handles it all. Powered by a durable 212 cubic centimeters Westinghouse OHV engine, it provides reliable performance. The maintenance-free pump ensures consistent water flow. Its sturdy steel frame and never-flat wheels make transportation a breeze. Get started quickly with the included tools and guide. Designed for durability, this pressure washer is built to withstand demanding use. Enjoy peace of mind with its 3-year limited warranty and support. What we like. This one offers robust cleaning power with 3200 psi and 2.5 GPM, perfect for tackling tough grime on driveways, decks, and siding. Its onboard soap tank makes detergent application a breeze. If you have large areas with stubborn dirt and want an efficient, all-in-one solution for deep cleaning, this is the one to consider. What people say. The pressure washer is powerful and effective for cleaning driveways and decks. It starts up easily and runs smoothly, providing consistent pressure. The unit is relatively lightweight and easy to maneuver around the yard. Number 4. Fanttik NB8 Nano Portable Cordless Electric Sprayer. Introducing the Fanttik NB8 Nano, your all-in-one cleaning solution for outdoor adventures. It features a high-security lithium battery, IPX5 waterproof rating, and a detachable 8L water tank, making it perfect for apartments, camping, and even cleaning your bike. Designed for convenience, this device is compact and lightweight for easy carrying. The integrated spray pipe hides neatly within the main unit, eliminating tedious installation steps and allowing you to start cleaning right away. Experience gentle cleaning with low operating noise and a water pressure of 72 to 98 psi, ideal for delicate flowers and sensitive pet skin. Easily switch between spray patterns to tackle dirt on any surface. The upgraded 2600 mAh safety battery provides up to 40 minutes of continuous use. Its main engine is sealed with an IPX5 waterproof grade, and the conductive body is impermeable, ensuring safe operation. It comes with a built-in 118-inch telescoping spring water hose for flexible reach and easy storage. With a USB-C charging interface, you can conveniently charge it using home chargers, power banks, or car chargers. For optimal performance, ensure correct installation and tighten all components securely. Regularly clean the outlet to prevent blockages. Remember, this device is designed for water use only, with temperatures between 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. What we like. This offers ultimate portability and convenience with its cordless, lightweight design and a long-lasting battery. It's ideal for gentle cleaning tasks like washing pets, watering plants, or cleaning bikes. If you need a versatile, easy-to-carry cleaner for various light-duty tasks around your home or on the go, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The pressure washer has a powerful 3000 psi and 2.3 GPM, making it effective for tough cleaning jobs. It comes with multiple nozzle tips, 0, 15, 25, 40 degrees, and soap, allowing for versatile cleaning applications. The unit features a durable steel frame and large wheels, which makes it easy to maneuver around the yard. Number 3. YAMATIC Pressure Washer Gun and Wand Kit. Introducing the YAMATIC Pressure Washer Gun and Wand Kit, designed for high-pressure cleaning tasks. It's built with reinforced, shockproof materials for maximum durability, handling up to 4000 psi for both electric and gas power washers. This kit includes 2 extension wands, allowing you to adjust the length up to 40 inches. It's perfect for reaching high places or tackling various cleaning jobs like cars, pools, and roofs. Experience fatigue-free cleaning with its lightweight pull trigger and shockproof handle. The dual lance design offers adjustable length for your convenience. Crafted with solid brass fittings and a steel pole, this gun ensures durability and leak resistance. The internal trigger is also made of high-quality solid brass for long-lasting performance. Featuring M22-14mm and M22-15mm fittings, it connects seamlessly with most M22 thread hoses. The universal 1/4 quick connector is compatible with a wide range of accessories for enhanced efficiency. We stand by our product with 7/24 customer service. Feel free to reach out with any questions or technical issues you may encounter. What we like. This is a high-quality replacement gun and wand designed for maximum compatibility with most major pressure washer brands. Its extendable lances offer great reach for cleaning cars, windows, and roofs. If you're looking to upgrade your existing pressure washer setup with a durable, versatile, and comfortable-to-use gun and wand, this is an excellent option. What people say. The pressure washer has a powerful 212 cubic centimeters engine that delivers 3000 psi and 2.4 GPM, making it effective for tough cleaning tasks. It comes with 5 quick connect nozzles, 0, 15, 25, 40 degrees, and soap, allowing for versatile cleaning applications. The unit features a durable steel frame and large wheels, which provide stability and easy maneuverability around the job site. Number 2. Simpson Cleaning 3400 psi Gas Pressure Washer. Experience professional-grade power with an easy-to-start Honda engine. It's perfect for contractors tackling tough jobs like deck cleaning and wood restoration. This machine delivers an impressive 3400 psi at 2.5 GPM, thanks to its reliable CAT industrial triplex plunger pump. It also features thermal relief protection to keep it running smoothly. Built on an aircraft-grade aluminum platform, it offers exceptional durability and corrosion resistance. Maneuvering it is a breeze, even on uneven surfaces, thanks to its premium pneumatic tires. It comes with a kink and abrasion-resistant 25-foot high-pressure hose, multiple quick-connect nozzle tips for various tasks, and a professional spray gun with a safety lockout. This unit is 49 state compliant and designed for demanding professional use. Just ensure the fuel level is correct for optimal performance and safety. What we like. This unit boasts a powerful Honda engine and a professional-grade CAT triplex pump, delivering exceptional performance for demanding commercial jobs like deck restoration. Its aircraft-grade aluminum frame ensures durability and easy maneuverability. If you're a contractor or a serious homeowner who needs reliable, high-performance power for tough, professional-level cleaning tasks, this is the machine for you. What people say. The pressure washer has a powerful 212 cubic centimeters engine that delivers 3000 psi and 2.4 GPM, making it effective for cleaning driveways, decks, and vehicles. It comes with 5 quick connect nozzles, 0, 15, 25, 40 degrees, and soap, offering versatility for different cleaning tasks. The unit features a durable steel frame and large, non-marking wheels for easy maneuverability around the job site. Number 1. Twinkle Star 15 Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. Meet the Twinkle Star 15-inch Surface Cleaner, your new partner for tackling tough cleaning jobs. It's designed to make your cleaning tasks faster and more effective. Achieve a commercial-grade clean with its wide 15-inch cleaning path. This attachment hovers over surfaces, delivering a superior clean compared to standard nozzles, perfect for patios, driveways, and decks. Don't limit yourself to flat areas. It's also great for vertical surfaces like brick walls and siding, making it a truly versatile cleaning solution for your home. Equipped with dual spinning jets, it breaks up dirt and grime efficiently without causing streaks. Clean large areas up to 5 times faster than with a regular nozzle, saving you valuable time. Constructed with a durable stainless steel housing and a heavy-duty bearing, this cleaner is built for longevity. It also features a built-in filter to prevent blockages, ensuring consistent performance. With a standard 1/4-inch quick connector, it easily attaches to most gas pressure washers and the included extension wands. Get started with your cleaning in no time. What we like. This attachment provides a wide 15-inch cleaning path, significantly speeding up the cleaning of large flat surfaces like driveways and patios. The 3-wheel design ensures smooth maneuverability and stability. If you want to cut your cleaning time in half on large areas and achieve streak-free results with ease, this surface cleaner is a must-have accessory. What people say. The pressure washer has a powerful 212 cubic centimeters engine that delivers 3000 psi and 2.4 GPM, making it effective for tough cleaning jobs. It comes with 5 quick connect spray nozzles, 0, 15, 25, 40 degrees, and soap, offering versatility for different cleaning tasks. The unit features a durable steel frame and large wheels, which provide stability and easy maneuverability around the job site. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.